This guy, like a lot of little guys, has a lot of trouble listening, and I figure it's because his ears aren't wiped out. So we got these Vets natural ear wipes. Let's open them up and see how they work. First, we've got to unseal them. Then we can peel the top. We can peel this plastic off the top. Oh man, I can already feel the moisture. And now we've got these pads. And they're designed to open up. You stick your finger in there. I guess you could put a Q-tip in there or something like that too, but you don't want to go too far into the puppy's ear. And now I can get in there and I can wiggle that dog ear. Now there's 50 of them in here, so it'll kind of depend on how much is going on in that dog ear, how often you're going to want to change it. I don't think anybody needs to see that, but let's just say it was effective. And I'm going to grab another one and do his other ear. These are handy. These are useful. They're damp, and they'll gently remove the wax and buildup. They're both for cats and dogs. And yeah, thanks to Vets for sending us these to check out. Very impressed. Hey, can you hear better? I think he can. Hope this helps.